Hello student, hopefully you are safe at home. So just today I will show you one easy method for MS Access. So you already done in class 7 or other classes, but today MS Access is DBMS software database management system. So just I will show you from my PC that how to start the first page of the MS Access. So actually basically what is DBMS? DBMS is a easiest way to link with the rows and columns to maintain the database. What about the database? The types of database, maybe it's text, number, song, videos, that all is counted as a database. So just I will show you on the screen that how to basic start of the MS Access software. And first we have to move to the Microsoft Office, and there we can find the MS Access. So let's follow. From all program you will get in Office, you will get the Office Access. So this is the first page. This is the first page of the Microsoft Access. So many options is given here. So you have to choose blank database. First you have to choose the blank database from here. So just I am choosing the blank database, and now you have to create the file of your name. I am creating. So now you have to go to the view from left side of the screen, and there you have to search the design view, and you have to make it okay. Now you have to type the data, means as per the student I am going to keep your record. So first it will be the roll number. Roll number is a data type, you have to put data type is a number. Next, student name. Student name. Student name is a text, so you have to put the text as a data type. So next one will be the father's name. Father's name also will be the text. Next one, address. Address also will be the text. Now age. You will put your age as a numeric, means number, so you have to put the number as a data type. Next, class. So your class, maybe it's number or maybe it's text. Suppose if you want to write in Roman number, then you have to choose the text. So I have already created my datas: roll number, student name, father name, address, age, class. So now I have to save the datas. After saving the datas, you can write as a first roll number 1. Suppose the student name A, B, C. Father's name X, Y, Z. Your address Siliguri. Your age 14. Class 8. So you can at least you can entry 10 students name. And what is the benefit of this database? You can easily put the name of ascending order and descending order. You can particularly one item, suppose if you want to filter means Suppose particular name you want to search, then you have to type there and you can search the particular name as a filter. Filter means that name will become. So you will try at your home. Now I want to save this part from the MS Access. So you have to go to the save as, then you will save as a desktop. So as a MS Access is a very important software, you can make a primary key. As a primary key, so I have already here made a primary key with the roll number. So we can easily link with the other database also. So we can easily access to another database to the main database. So you will try at your home that you will just go to the MS Access and open a file and create a file by your name, and then at least 10 student name you will try. That what you will do, simply you will write roll number, student name, address, father's name, class. These 5 data you will start, and if you will be having any problem, then again I will show you next class. Okay, so today this match.